Hello guys, welcome back. We are live. So before we start, we have a disclaimer. This video is just for educational purpose. So before you trade, make sure you know the risk involved and you are familiar with scalp trading and option trading. Make sure you are consulting your financial advisor and you are keep track of your position sizing with proper risk to reward. So with that, let's get started. So guys, as we can see, today we opened somewhere around 15,812, and after that what we have seen some selling pressure, and due to that we have seen some sell off up to 15,797, and after that Nifty bounced back due to some short covering, and right now we are trading at 15,823. And coming back to Bank Nifty, here we have our levels at 34,800 because we opened somewhere around 34,880 after a huge gap down. There was some selling pressure, and due to that we have made a low around 34,765. So it's 34,759 was our low for today that we made, and right now we are trading somewhere around 34,795. So unless we reclaim 34,900, there is no probability of no chances of upside, so I will be waiting for that level to be taken out. So here we have our option chain. So as we can see here on the put levels, we have a huge put buyers are coming due to this huge gap down opening, and today what we have seen at 15,800 we have change in our premium up to 40%, and here we have in Bank Nifty right now we are trading around 34,753, and that's why at 34,700 and 34,800 we have a huge upside in the premium level. On the longer side, on the call side, here we have at 35,000 a huge call writers are coming, what we can see from our Y plot. That's why we don't have to be in a hurry to create any long position in Bank Nifty. So Nifty as well is showing some huge sell off, which was quite unexpected before the. As for the global Q, we were expecting a good upside in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well, but as of now what we can see at 15,800 our future levels are trading, and at that same level we have a huge call writers are coming. Because of that, there might be a scenario that we could consolidate around that level, but there is a good one because here we are almost sustaining 15,800. So once we can retain 15,850, we can expect some upside in this. So if you have taken any of your position, then you can ask in the live stream if you want to, or else I will be updating you once I can see any clear upside or any trend visibility. So far Bank Nifty is trying to reclaim its day opening. Unless we reclaim that, I will be not taking any trade. So it is quite clear for me that I am not going to take any trade unless it reclaims 34,900, and if I can see any clear upside above it, then only I will try to create any position. As for our yesterday's analysis, Bank Nifty need to sustain 35,000, but today what we have seen, a huge gap down opening, and after that also it is quite struggling below 34,900 levels. Because of that, we can expect some clear consolidation below 34,900. So once it reclaims that level 34,900, I will try to figure out any trend reversal if it happens to be. So guys, if we can reclaim 34,900 with a huge volume, then we can go for a long position at 34,800. So as of now, what we can see, at 34,500 we have a huge put writing, and that's why market is trying to inch higher. And as of now, what we can see, it has reclaimed 34,900 levels. So once this candle closes, if we can see it sustains that level, this level 34,900, then we have to go for a long position at 34,800 or even 34,900 call. We can go for a long position that is in the money, so that once it reclaims 35,000 level, we can trail our stop loss to the cost. So it seems like here we have some call unwinding happening, and at the lower level, that means at 34,800 and 34,900, we can expect some clear upside in it. Right now the premiums are trading around 326 and 385. So right now it is clearly sustaining 34,900 levels. So I hope those who are in our live stream, they could have taken this position. It is not mandatory that you are going to take this position after I suggest. It is only by your analysis that you could get into this position of 34,800 and 34,900 on the call side. Go for a buy. So as of now, those who have taken this position, they might be in a good profit. So that's why I will suggest them to trail their stop loss at least to their buying level. So right now, what we can see in Nifty as well, we have just reclaimed our day's open, and after that we have seen some clear upside. So those who have followed the same logic what I have shared for Bank Nifty, then you could have bought 15,800 call. So on the long side, so as of now its premium is trading around 116. So I hope those who have taken 34,800 or even 34,900 call in the long side, they should have just trailed their stop loss to that buying level, because here I can see some clear profit booking is coming from 35,000 call writers. So that's why you have to trail your stop loss at least. So what I can see from here, our future level is trading around 15,850 plus, and on the spot level we are trading around 15,866. That's why there could be a selling scenario, and that's why we could approach 15,850. Before that, those who have taken 15,800 call in the long side, they have to trail their stop loss at least to their cost. Because this buying momentum is quite low, what I can see in both Nifty and Bank Nifty as well, because of some call writers are booking their profit around 35,000 level. So if we break 34,900, then you have to close that position. If you have already trailed your stop loss, then you don't need to worry about it. So I hope you have booked your profit. In case your trailing stop loss hits, then you have exited that trade with break even. So in case you have any question, then you could share with us and I will try to answer that. So it seems like right now we are in a selling pressure. Due to this 15,900 call writers, over here what we can see, this one is 15,900, and even at 15,850 we have a huge call writing happening. Because of that, it is trying to settle around 15,830 as of now. So those who have taken their position at 15,800 call, they should have booked their position either in break even, or they need to trail their stop loss so that they could execute their exit plan. So traders, Bank Nifty is quite volatile, so that's why I will suggest you, if you are trading with low capital, then you have to make sure you are trailing your stop loss and you are trading with a single lot. So in case you have any query regarding your trade either in Nifty or Bank Nifty, you could ask in the live stream. As of now, we have taken one position, and that also we have closed with break even. Due to this huge volatility, we have to book at break even, and for that we have trailed our stop loss to our cost. That's why we have avoided any kind of loss in that trade. So traders, right now we are trading around 15,846, and going forward, what we can see, bank nifty seems to be quite bearish as of now, as it is not able to settle well above 34,900. I will be not taking any trade in the long direction. So guys, this time I will be waiting for 34,950 levels to be taken out with a proper volume breakout. If that happens, then only I will go for 34,900 call on long side. So it tried to reclaim this level 34,950, but it fails, and it made a high around 34,940. That's why I have not taken my position. So guys, if you have taken any position and you are stuck, then you could get it clarified in the live stream. So until that levels are taken out, let me just check how our cash trades are performing. So for today, I have shared 4 trades with you. Those are like JSW Steel. So today we made a high around 3729.5, and this opening level was our day's high. So we opened somewhere more than 1.5% higher in this. And the next one is India Bulls Housing. So here we have seen some upside, at least of 4%. So those who have taken this trade, I will suggest them to book their profit. Next one is Spark. So this one also seems like those who have taken in this some scalp trade, they might be in a good profit. So they should book their profit as of now. And the last one but not the least, JSL. This was in this also we made a new 52-week high. That's why as a trader you should have booked your profit in this as well. So out of 4 trades in 3 we are in a very good profit. So congratulations to all those traders, those who have taken these scalp trades. Try to book your profit and at least trail your stop loss if you want to continue in those trades. So far what we have seen, still we have at 35,000 call side, a huge call writing is happening. Because of that we can see some clear consolidation around 34,900 levels. So unless we breach 34,950 with a huge volume, please don't try to take any long position in the money call side. So as I have shared, because we have not sustained this level 34,900, that's why we have seen some sell off. So don't try to create any position as of now. And coming back to Nifty, here we are trading just above 15,850. So it is quite obvious that we are not able to sustain 15,850. That's why I am not going to create any long position in this. So either you are trading or you have already taken any long position from in the money call, then you could get it clarified whether you should continue in that, but it would be your decision whether you are going to continue or not. So here we are trying to reclaim 15,850, but still we are trading somewhere around 15,845. So that's why either it could settle down or we can expect more consolidation in this. So Bank Nifty seems to be much more volatile than Nifty, and once again it's tried to reclaim this level of 34,900 levels, but still, as per my view, it is not able to sustain this level. It seems like we are in a no trade zone as of now. So I have not initiated any fresh trade as of now. What I can see from the OI plot at 15,800, still we have some option writers, and on the higher side, that means at 15,850 and 15,900, we have more call writers, and because of that, Nifty is consolidating around 15,856. Going forward, because Bank Nifty is kind of struggling, so I'll not create any long position in Nifty as well. So it seems like today we are not having many trading signals, so that's why right now I have not initiated any new trade. So guys, either you have taken any trade or you have any query regarding your trade, either in cash or option, you can consider ask over here. I will try to answer. So traders, there is much more movement that I can see in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I'll be taking your questions because today I have not seen more trading signal, so that's why I have not initiated any fresh trade. Going forward, Bank Nifty also fails to retain 34,900. That's why I'm not going to create any long side trade unless it reclaims 34,950 with a huge volume. So traders, here we have reclaimed 34,950. So we need to wait for at least a minute. If we can sustain this level, then we can go for our fresh long position. So it seems like we have not sustained 34,950. That's why, as I told earlier, we should not take any trade unless it sustains 34,950. If it could, then I should have taken a trade, that is 34,900 call on long side. But as of now, what I can see from this Y plot, still we have some clear selling pressure coming from the call writers, that is at 35,100 and even 35,000 levels. So traders, please make sure before getting into any trade the trend is quite reliable, unless due to fake breakout you might end up losing your money. So guys, if you have any query regarding your trade, then you could ask. I will try to answer that. So as of now, it seems like we have multiple fake breakouts in Bank Nifty. So I will be waiting for this level 34,950. So guys, we are moving sideways. That's why even option sellers are not making good money, because of this obvious reason. Premiums are not even moving, and due to this less liquidity, we are facing some issue while trading options in last few days. So guys, if you are facing the same issue, then please mention it over here. We will try to figure it out, few ways to tackle it. So as of now, it seems we have more selling pressure rather than some bounce back or even short covering. That's why we can see beyond 34,800 we have more call writers. That's why I will be not taking any trade as of now. So if you have any query, you can ask, or else we could end the stream. So it seems like we are not going to sustain 34.